In part 3, we looked at how to modify an existing bank of questions. Now we're going to learn how to create a brand new question bank from scratch. Now make sure you're logged in as an organization administrator. Go to the dashboard where you'll see the option Take a Test. And under the heading Take a Test, there's a button called Add Question Bank. Click on this and you'll get the Create Question Bank page. The first thing to do is give your new question bank a name in the title box. I'm going to call this example Infection Control Test. Then, as before, I can either add my own new questions or I can add existing questions from any available question bank. Now let's add some questions. I'm going to start with a new one. Then you have to select the type of answer required here. This one is a true or false answer. And in this case we select false. Then you click the Create Question button. And there you can see the first question in your new bank. Now let's add a question that already exists in the extensive clinicalskills.net system. This is where you'd be advised to see your existing question banks. You can either print the pages you need or save the paper and open another browser window or tab. You can then have them side by side. In the second browser window, navigate to Resources Management and then you can select the question banks that you want to draw from. In this case, I want to have a look at the questions from infection control, hand hygiene and PPE. Let's have a look. And I want to use this one, I think, on hand decontamination. Now let's go to the Create Question Bank section. Add Existing Question box, click on that and type in a few relevant words and the question will come up. There it is. Now click Add Question. And our brand new question bank now has 2 questions. We'll want more than that, of course, so bear with me a sec and I'll just add some. It might take you a little longer than that, but you get the idea. There are 10 questions available in this new bank. You now have to decide on the number of questions you want this bank to deliver to your users. If you want, say, any 6 questions from the total available, in this case 10, you put 6 in the box. If you want all questions to be delivered to all users, you put 0. That means that there will be no selection, every question will be presented. Now, when you're happy with the selection of questions, now is a good time to preview. This way you can proofread what you've created. So, click on the preview button. Check it over, and if you spot any mistakes, you can correct them straight away. To correct a question, you click on Edit. And if you want to delete a question, click Remove. Then, whatever you do, remember to click Save. Now let's just check all is well and in the system. Go back to the dashboard, select Resources Management. Let's go back to full screen. We've called this new question bank Infection Control Test. So type that into the search box here, click Apply, and there it is. Click on it. And there you have your brand new question bank to test your users. You can create any number of unique banks of questions and adapt them to your own specific needs. To learn more about the clinicalskills.net system, why not have a look at some of the other how-to videos? And if you have any questions on using any aspect of this site, then contact info@clinicalskills.net.